This is my friend Slade's BMW 335i E91 wagon. So he recently purchased this off of a lady who was taking her kid to school in it. So it is pretty, well, I say pretty, it is stock.
What?
Minimal space there. Oh, just to wipe some of this oil.
Let me talk. You want wipes or latte?
Wipes work.
And a coffee?
Yeah, that would be lovely. What have I done, yeah? What have I done? What a day. Up at 4. Now working on the ship box. All sorts of shit in my hair. All sorts of shit in my hair. It's not looking good. It's not looking good at all, bruv. That don't even look like it's holding. Anyway, we carry on. We get it done. We get the job done. And we can see downpipes. Cut this off first.
Yeah.
Then we see if we can open it.
Yeah.
No. Oh, you're pushing the stud out.
Really?
Yeah.
Just gonna put this other one in. Really? Yeah, boy.
There are these stones in there.
Ready?
Yeah. switch it off. How's that?
Fucking loud.
we got the downpipes on last night, and it was a mission. So Slade left at about, I want to say like 10 o'clock at night. So I'm going to put all the support frames and everything back on under the car. We got the downpipes in, got the exhaust back on. It was a flippin' mission, but yeah, so I'm just going to do that now. And then, yeah, I'll give you a start up and see how it sounds like. So with stock exhaust, and then sports cats on the downpipes. Sweet. Freaking massive bolt. And this one must go here. Where are all the torque splits? All the torque splits, all the adapters. I must have them somewhere. Okay, so that is that brace on. Then I've just got to put the center piece in. Those all up there. Okay, that is that support plate, I guess, like, yeah, in. So now we have to just do the front. I guess it's like a A-frame support plate, stability plate, whatever you want to call it. And then, yeah, we can get the car on the ground. Can I push the steering back up? And then, oh. Yes. The flip with the nuts on top. This is the front steering rack, and you have to take it out to get your hands in for the downpipes. You can't see anything, hang on. Okay, for these front downpipes up here. So you have to drop this forward. So the bolt goes through there, and the nut is up top. Don't know if you can be able to see it, but I'll try and point to it. Up there, basically where the end of my finger is. That's where the nut goes on top. And then same on the other side. So, but there's literally no room to get around. So I'm gonna try and get this in now. Down, okay. Let's go in, and then spin it onto it. Now that's on. Shark is back up. That was a mission 1.5. It uses these like nuts that you have to put on inside the frame, and then they clip on like that. So basically these are what was spinning when we were trying to cut this off, because the plate holder thing had just deteriorated away. So we have to get some new ones. Well, new second-hand ones. Yeah, I think all these bolts are the same. Okay, let me get one of these in first. Oof. then what are these ones? Oh, that needs to go in there. Okay, that's in there. That's in there. Okay. And this one. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Is that A-frame all back in? Or... Okay. That is that. A-brace on. Whoop. Where's the little nut? There's one. Okay. That. Let me cable tie that up, but I am done with all of these parts under this car, I think. Here's a little cold start.